out for a nature walk. I am in Tennessee in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains, just on a side road, basically in the middle of nowhere, and just enjoying a much needed break to stretch my legs and get out walking. It is just so nice out here. Humidity is high, but that's July for you. But it's around 80 degrees, nice breeze. Oh, yeah. So pretty. You got the smell of the pine. I don't even see a pine tree in sight, but I can smell them in the air, so they're out there. There might be some in there. Yeah, I see some pines way back in there, in the woods. We got prairie right nearby. Yeah, just beautiful. Great hiking stick here. I still got good balance. I'm not that old, but it's helpful to have nevertheless. Yeah. Hopefully those of you who are viewing this are inspired and will want to get out in nature yourselves and enjoy. It's so good for the soul. It's good for the noggin too, of course. Great exercise. Yeah.